Hey everybody, and welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. And in this lecture, we're going to create our static login.html file. Inside templates, let's create a new HTML file called login.html. Inside here, let's open our HTML file. And again, everything above the container, let's copy and paste into a login. And everything under container, let's also copy and paste in login. And in between, we're going to want to say div equals class container. Let's start by saying div class is equal to card. With a div class card header inside saying login. Outside of the card header, but inside the card, let's create a new div of class card body. And now inside the div of class card body, let's create a form. I'm going to delete all the actions inside the form for now. Let's create a new div of form group. Label, which is going to be username as the value. And input, which has type equal to text, class equals form control, name equals email, and is required. And now you may see a discrepancy between the username and name equals email, and I will cover that in a later video. And now let's create another div of form group. With a label which is password. Which has an input type equals password. Class is equal to form control. Name is equal to password and is required. And now under the div of form group, but before the form, we're going to have to create a button of type submit. With class button primary, which is going to have the login words on the button. And underneath our form and underneath the div of card body, we're going to create another div that's going to be our card footer. So div class card footer text muted, and then we're going to create an anchor tag inside, which the href as a $, and the verbiage is going to be register ? All right, let's save the file, go back to our projects todos.py file, and switch edit to do to login. Save, make sure our server is running, and let's go back to our application and refresh. Here we can see our login page. We're going to have our username, our password, login, and then we'll have this register button at the bottom to be able to go to our register page where users are going to be able to sign up. If we right click and inspect, we can see that it also works with responsive. This wraps up the login HTML file, and I will see you in the next video.